Hello again everyone! In today's video we're going to explain how we made this Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon's pencil holders. Perfect for back to school and to fill your desks with color. We hope you like it! Here we go! Today we make pencil holders of Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon. We're going to start by making Gato Rainbow, and for that we're going to need a clean can, liquid silicone, tape, pipe cleaners of several colors, foam sheets of several colors as well, yellow cardboard, and markers. We're going to start by marking the size of our can on our cardboard, and we're going to cut it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you like our channel. And when you have it, we will check that it completely covers the label of our can. As you can see, I have left the top and the bottom uncovered. And now we're going to draw Gato Rainbow's face. We'll do the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And now we're going to go over with a black marker. We color the nose pink. And now we're going to cover the can. For that, as you can see, I'm using a little piece of tape and then stick it to the can without removing the label below. It's not necessary. We put another piece of tape on the other side. And as you can see, we have a part that is uncovered. So now I'm going to cut out another piece of cardboard that size and I'll stick it on the top. This time I'll use glue so I cover the tape. If you have a large piece of cardboard, you don't need to make this step. It'll probably cover the whole can. Now we put color pipe cleaners with the same color pieces of foam sheets on top. As you can see, I've cut out circles of the same size. So let's put silicone on one of the circles. Put the pipe cleaner on top and cover it with the other circle. We're going to do this with all the colors. Like this. And now we're going to take the markers and we'll make this shape on top with the pipe cleaner. In my case, since my markers have two tips, I don't want to put any silicone on it. But if it's the end of your marker, you can do it. And check out how it looks! Super colorful! We put all the colors of Gato Rainbow's tail. And with his face in the cup, it's super cute! It's certainly going to add a lot of color to our desk. By the way, we have an important announcement to make. As we already told you, we have a children's cartoon series on YouTube. And in September, we're going to start uploading new episodes. It will be the third season, so don't miss all the previous episodes so you can get to know our characters really well. We hope you like it a lot! Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the first episode. And now let's make Gato Moon. For this we will need another clean can, purple cardboard, foam sheets cut out like stars, black pipe cleaners, and more markers or pens. As I'd done with Gato Rainbow, I cut the cardboard to completely cover our can. Now we draw Gato Moon's face. And go over it with marker. We color the nose pink and stick it in our can. Well, and here one of our kittens snuck in. It's been a while since they've been here. We finished gluing it and covered the back with another piece of cardboard. Like this. And now we take the foam stars and we're going to prick them with the wire of our pipe cleaners. That's how they have to look. Since I'm going to use this pencil holder for pens, I'm going to put the pipe cleaner like this. And now we can put them inside. You can put as many as you want. The more you put in, the nicer it will look. What do you think? We used glitter foam to make it look even nicer. The truth is that they look super cute, right? And as I said, they're perfect for back to school and also to decorate the room of your little ones and have all the markers organized. Besides, it's a good way to go over the colors with them. And before finishing today's video, we want to send a special greeting to our friends Eva and Dani. Their mom Vanessa left us a comment saying that they love our videos. We hope you like this one too. And don't forget that on Wednesday we upload it in English. See you next week with a new video. Bye!